Hello. Hello, good evening. And this is Sheromy for discussing chapter 4 about Python decision and loop statement. Our goal and objective is to determine the Boolean values to compare different values and control the execution paths. Meaning, while discussing this, I learned something about it, or let's just say reading by it from the word itself, decision and loop statement. And for objective 2 is to differentiate the utilization of loops while and for, and nakokontrol paano yung nakokontrol yung behavior nila using the break and continuous extraction. And lastly, apply the concept of least and least processing, including the iteration provided by for the loop and slicing. Let's get it on with lesson 1, making decision in Python. In Python, decision statement help control the flow of the program based on condition. The most common one is the if statement, allowing you to execute code block if only if specified condition is true. For example, about the if statement is the choices if 1 equals to, let's just say, Sam. If you choose 1, then it will print the word Sam. If 2 equals to, let's just say, Harvey, if you choose number 2, it will print the word Harvey. And loop statements are used for repeating a block of code. The loop iterates over a sequence. Example is list tuple string, and the while loop repeats as long as the given condition is true. Comparison operator. A comparison operator is a programming construct that allows you to compare two values or expression. It evaluates to a Boolean value, either true or false, based on the relationship between the operands. Common comparison operator include equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to. Sa equal to, i-check niya to if two of values are equal. Sa not to naman, sa not equal to, syempre not equal, i-check niya if two or more values are not equal. And less than, i-check niya if kung mas mababa ba si A kaysa kay B, or si B mas mababa kay A. Let's just say, example ng less than is A equals to 5, then B equals to 10. So, mas less than si A kaysa kay B. These operators are commonly used in conditional statement and expression to make decisions based on the comparison result. These are the few of example of each comparison operators. First one is equal to. Example in equal to, A equals to 5 and B equals to 5. Result is equals to A equal to B. In this example, the expression A equal to B evaluates to true because the values of A and B are equal. And the second one is not equal to. In this example, are repeat A A equals to B A equals to 5 or and B equals to 5. Print in this example, the expression in this comparison not equal to, the expression A equal to B evaluates to true because the value of A and B are equal. But if both A and B are equal, like it would equal like A plus 10 and B plus 10, it will be false since both expression are equal, which is false. Then there you have it. I explained this less than in the previous slide. And in the greater than, syempre, if M equals to 25 and N equals to 18. So, M is greater than N kasi ang value ni M ay 25. Si N naman ay 18. Conditional statement. Conditional statement in Python allow you to control the flow of your program based on certain conditions. The primary conditional statement is the if statement, and you can extend it with else if, or and else clauses. If statement execute a block of code if a specified condition is true. Let's